How to hide WhatsApp notification details on lock screen. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you the quick way to hide WhatsApp notification details on lock screen. Without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, open WhatsApp application on your device. Or else you can also tap and hold the WhatsApp application and select the I button on the screen. Once you open it, you will get access to this app info page. Simply select the option for Manage Notifications. On this page, you need to locate Hide Notification Details on Lock Screen option. Simply toggle on the button so that all your WhatsApp notification details will be hidden on your lock screen. That's it.
I hope this video was helpful and informative for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button, subscribe our channel if you are new, and press the notification bell for more updates.